Hello everyone. If your headphones or earphones are not working on Windows 11, we're going to do only 3 simple steps to fix this problem, and please ensure that you follow all the steps and you will be able to fix on your own. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings, and at the left hand side where we have this call system, and we will click on that, and then we need to scroll down and we need to click on this about section. Now, the moment you click on About section, scroll down again, and you will find an option called Advanced System Settings. Just below Device Specifications, here you will find Advanced System Settings. Click on that, and a new window will appear like this. And we need to go to this System Properties. And here you need to click on Device Installation Settings, and click on that. And here, if it's selected no, then you can keep it no. And if it's yes, then select no and click on Save Changes and click on OK. All right. Once this is done, click on the search icon and type services, and you will find the Best Match Services app. And you need to click on Run as Administrator, and it will open up like this. Now here, select any of the service and type P, and then we need to look for performance log alerts, and please ensure if it's manual or automatic. So do a right click, go to properties, and here from startup type, select automatic. Automatic delayed start would be fine, and then just click on apply and OK. And once this is done, do a right click again in that performance logs and alerts. Just do a right click and click on start. So what we have done, we have made from manual to automatic, and we have also started this service. Once this is done, the final step is to do a right click in the start icon and then go to Device Manager. And here in the Device Manager, I'll just maximize it. Here we have the sound, video, game controllers, and we need to click on that. See what exactly you have here. You have your Realtek audio driver, and just do a right click on that and click on Update Driver and click on Search automatically for drivers. Same for if you see your device right here, just like me, like you're seeing rockers or any other device which is there, just do a right click on Update Driver, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then just do a right click and disable it and then enable it. So in this manner, you're actually refreshing the services, and then you just need to restart the computer. And do let me know in the comment section if your headphone or earphone started working or not. Please do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.